Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with a new topic, that is fractions from 6th class ncert. I hope you already learned about the fractions in previous classes. Let's start introduction. So here we have to discuss about the three things. Those are what is a fraction, representation of fraction, and fractions on the number line. So we know the number line. In a fractions we have to represent on a number line. Here it is what is a fraction. So it is a definition of a fraction also. So let's start a fraction. In our daily life, we started a day with a fractions. For example, milk we can buy as half liter, onions or 2.5 kgs, or water tank filled with a 3/4 of the tank. See here, half, 2.5, 3/4. These are denoted as a fractions. So fraction is a nothing but it is in the form of numerator by denominator. Here it is numerator by denominator. So in terms of numerator and denominator, it is just said to be a fraction. So coming to the definition of a fraction. So here one definition. How it may be called as a fraction. A fraction is a number represents part of a whole. See here, it is a milk 1/2 liter. So this means half of the liter. So in terms, you can divide 1 as 1/2 and 1/2. It means we are taking one of the two parts. So it is a part of a whole. It is a whole. Here it is coming to the 2.5. So apart from 2, here it is also same method. Next coming to the 3/4. If you take a water tank here, so if you measure these water tank as a 4 times, like 1, 2, 3, 4, divide it into 4 parts, it is filled 3/4. That means 1, 2, 3. This is the filled part of the water tank with the water. These are the remaining part. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 parts, that is a whole. And what is the part filled 1, 2, 3 parts? So that is a 3. That is a 3/4 of a tank. This is the representation of a fraction. One thing I want to tell here, the whole may be single or a group. See here, single or a group. What is this? This is a whole part. For example, if you take chocolates, so these are the 4 chocolates, right? Give to your friend in these one of the chocolates of these 4. So you have to represent with a what is the whole 1, 2, 3, 4. And coming to the how much part of you give, this is the part. So 1/4. This is the representation of a fraction. It is a group. In case of coming to the single, this is the example for the single representation of a fraction. Next, another thing I want to tell you, that is the part what we are discussing about, the part have to be equal. It means I will explain you here. For example, let's assume here, I hope you understand with this activity what is a fraction. See here, just assume. So this is a chocolate bar. If one of your friend came and asked you, give me 2 bites. 2 bites. So how can we represent this chocolate as a fraction? That is the main important for the fraction definition, and representation of fraction also you can learn from here. First of all, you have to divide it into equal parts. So next you have to divide it into 6 equal bites. See here, these are equal in length and equal in width also. Next, coming to the 2 bites we have to give. First of all, take part of a whole. What is the whole here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is the 6. And how many bites you have to give? 2 bites. That is 1 and that is 2. You have to give 2 bites to your friend. So how we are representing 2/6. The remaining part of the fraction we cannot conclude that as a fraction, but how much we have to take out of the, that means part of a whole, how much amount we are taking, that is the numerator, and the total amount of the given object or anything, that is the denominator. So it is a numerator and this is the denominator. I hope you understand with this example. Next, coming to the representation of a fraction. Representation of fraction. This is the second one. Here I already shown you, that is an example how we are representing a fraction. So now here we are taking it as in depth. It is representation of fraction in terms of numerator by denominator. It is numerator divided by denominator. Throughout this chapter, I am going with this short trick, that is n by d. In this, I explained with a small activity. Here also, I am going to explain with a small cardboard. Take the circle here. Divide it into equal parts as possible. You can. I divide this into 8 parts. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is in equal parts. See here, a fraction is a represents part of a whole. The parts have to be equal. So it is, I am dividing as a equal parts. If you take example as A and B, those are two friends. So A have a 8 parts of a circle. So 8 parts. We asked to give 3 parts. So how we are going to represent it is whole is the denominator and numerator is must be part. So here 3 parts, that is 3 and 8. So how we are going to give, if you take this is 1 and this is 2 and this is the 3 part of the circle, and these are the remaining parts of the circle. But we cannot represent remaining part of the circle anywhere in a fraction. But coming to how much amount we are separated in a part, that is said to be a numerator, and total amount how we are taking, that is should be equal parts. So that is as denominator. If you take another example, those are P and Q are two friends. P have 8 parts of the circle and Q asked among 5 of the circle. So how we are going to represent these 5 as a part? So that is the numerator, and 8 parts, that is the whole, that is represented as 5 by 8. Here 5 represents how much part we are going to give to Q, that is the 5. Total part of the P, that is said to be 8. So if you give, these are the 8 parts having P. Now we are going to give 5 parts among those 8. So if you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of the 8. So these are the 5 parts we are separated. So that is 5 divided by 8. This is the representation of a fraction with the example. I hope you understand about this method. Next, coming to the representation of fractions on a number line. How we are going to represent a fraction on a number line. So that is the topic. Take the help of the scale and make a line, that is as number line. Let it be 0. Now here no need to represent negative values, so I am taking only positive values here. Let's take example as 1 by 2, that is half. So now represent, that is half in a number line. This is the 0. I am taking 15 as 1. So half is nothing but 1 by 2. It is nothing but in a 1, that is the half of part. Let's take represent with a scale, that is 15 centimeters, 7.5 centimeters is the midpoint. So this is the half of a fraction. This is the representation of a fraction on number line. Take another example, that is 1 by 3. Take same number line, that is 0 and this is 1, and for example this is 2 and this is 3. So we are going to represent 1 by 3. So 3 by 3 is equal to 1. So this is 2 by 3 and this is 1 by 3. This is the 1 by. This is the one part of a 3. 1, 2, 3. This is the 3 and one part we are chosen, that is 1. So this is the representation on a number line. Similarly, if you have to represent 2 by 3 in a number line, take the same number line. This is 0. This is 1 by 3 and this is as 2 by 3 and this is as 3 by 3. If you have to represent that is 2 by 3 in a number line, that is this. We have to take a number line, divide it into equal parts. So how much part they want to represent in a number line? So we have to represent it in the number line through this. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with the exercise 7.1 from fraction 7th class ncert. I took the problem number 1, that is write the fraction representing the shaded portion. You have to write the how much fraction that you have to represent in the shaded portion of the given figures. I took randomly some figures here. So let's start with one. This is the one. In previous videos, I already explained you about the fractions introduction. See the description box for the link. Here coming to the fraction. So fraction is a nothing but representation of part of whole. So in the whole we have to represent as a denominator, that the part what we have to taken out, that is said to be a numerator. Here first observe, that is how much equal parts are there. Here we have equal parts. Those are, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. So totally we have 4 equal parts, that is denominator as 4. Here fraction representing the shaded portion only. So they have asking about only shaded portion. Have to take 2. So 2 by 4. This is the representation of a fraction according to this figure. Similarly, come to here. We have to check it is a equally divided parts or not. The figure shows you equally divided parts. Those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 parts are given. Those are equally divided part. That 9 should be denominator, and how much shaded portion is said to be a part of whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 parts. Similarly here also these are equally divided parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here numbers I am representing it for the understanding purpose only. If you don't want to write the numbers on this, so you can skip this step. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 parts is the denominator. And how much shaded portions? 1, 2, 3. 3 portions are shaded portions. So this is the representation of a given figure. Next, coming to here, this is also equally divided figure. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 parts are given and shaded portions are 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 parts are shaded portions. Next, coming to here, this is the flower with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 petals. That is the 8. And how much petals are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 petals are shaded. That is the representation of a fraction. Fraction is nothing but a representation of part of whole. The part of whole, the parts should be equal. See here, I am writing definition of a fraction. Part of whole, that part should be equal parts, then that is we can written as a fraction. This is the representation of a fraction with the figures. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts regarding this session, comment on the comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Stay connected for more videos and thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with exercise 7.1 from fraction problem number 6, that is Arya, Abhimanyu and Vivek shared lunch. Arya has bought 2 sandwiches, one made of vegetables and one made of jam. The other 2 boys forgot to bring their lunch. Arya agreed to share his sandwiches so that each person will have an equal share of each sandwich. Question number A. How can Arya divide his sandwiches so that each person has an equal share? B. What part of a sandwich will each boy receive? Let's start rough work here. So Arya, Abhimanyu, Vivek. So Arya, Abhimanyu and Vivek. Here in this topic, we have 3 boys. Arya has bought 2 sandwiches. So Arya bought 2 sandwiches. This is the 1 and this is the 2. Okay. Next, one made of vegetable and another made of jam. Okay. So the other 2 boys forgot to bring their lunch. These 2 boys doesn't have a lunch box now. Arya agreed to share his sandwiches so that each person will have an equal share of each sandwich. So we have to tell how can Arya divide his sandwiches so that each person has an equal share. So he has to divide it into for 3 friends. Those are Arya, Abhi, Vivek, 3 members. So how can he divide this? That is the one question. And what part of sandwich will each boy receive? How much part they have in that sandwich? Okay, let's start. Here Arya have 2 sandwiches, right? So here Abhi and Vivek. Apart from these 2, he has to have their lunch. So divide each sandwich into 3 because of we have 1, 2, 3 boys there. So divide it into equal 3 parts like this. Here also 1, 2, 3. So one part goes to Arya, another part goes to Abhi, and another part goes to Vivek. Similarly, in jam sandwich, they have also got one for Arya, another for Abhi, and another for Vivek, like this. See here, this is the wedge and this is the jam. So for Arya, this is the piece. For Abhimanyu, this is the piece. This is the Vivek part. So these 2 are horizontally. This is the Arya's part. So next coming to the jam, this is also equal part. Similarly, he has how share to his friends. This is the representation just for example only. So start with the question A. How can Arya divide his sandwiches so that each person has equal share? See here, he cut into 3 pieces, that is equal parts. So all friends have each one slice of sandwich. How we are going to represent it? See here, this is 1, 2, 3. So this is represented as a 3 by 3 or equal to 1. Cancel. Similarly, this is also 3 by 3. If Arya take 1 by 3, Abhimanyu take 1 by 3. See here, 1 of the 3. And Vivek take 1 by 3. Similarly, jam sandwich also. In 3 parts, they took only 1 part. So this is the representation of a fraction. In previous videos, I already explained you about the how the representation of fractions. See the description box for the link. Question number A's answer is Arya divide his sandwich as 3 equal parts. So each person has an equal share, that is Arya equal to 1 by 3 and Abhimanyu have 1 by 3 and Vivek has 1 by 3 of vegetable and jam as well as. Question number B's answer is what part of sandwich will each boy receive? See here veg sandwiches they shade as 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Similarly as jam 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. If you add these two, that is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Here also 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Here also 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So they got 2 by 3. That is 2 by 3. And this is also 2 by 3. So veg equal to 1 by 3. Jam equal to 1 by 3. So totally 2 by 3 part of sandwich will receives each boy. So this is about this question. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Stay connected for more videos and thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with exercise 7.1 from fractions, 7th class ncert. Question number 8. Write the natural numbers from 2 to 12. What fraction of them are prime numbers? In earlier classes you learnt about the natural numbers. So we have to write it as here. So this is the answer. Natural numbers 2 to 12, that equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So now what fraction of them are prime numbers? We have to write as prime numbers also here in this. So prime numbers equal to here 2 and 3, 5, 7 and 11. These 5 are prime numbers in this given natural numbers list. So we have to represent fraction as fraction equal to part of whole divided by whole. So here the part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 are the whole. So those are the numbers. So we have to take part of a whole. So we have to write as a prime numbers as a fraction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5. This is the answer for this question. Next, coming to here, what fraction of these circles have x's in them? So here some circles are given. In this we have, in center of this we have x's here. So we have to represent it into a fraction. So fraction is equal to part of x's in circle divided by whole circles, that is nothing but number of circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 circles are there. And how much x's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. So 4 by 8. This is the representation of a fraction. I hope you understand about these two questions. If you have any doubts regarding this session, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Stay connected for more videos and thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with a topic, types of fractions from fractions 7th class ncert. So let's moving into the topic, types of fractions. So here we have 3 types of fractions: proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed fractions. Let's take proper fraction, that is 1. Before going to this, fraction is nothing but part of a whole. So the part should be equal. So here part of whole is nothing but, if you take any example, that is half liter of milk, 2/4 of the chocolate, or 3/4 of water bottle, like this. So these are the just examples for the fractions. In our daily life we can see proper, improper, mixed fractions are there. So if you take another example, 2.5 kgs of onions and fifth part of the chocolate, etc. So these are the our daily life fractions. We can say it as a proper, improper, mixed fractions. So now we are going to learn about the how it is said to be a proper fraction, how it is said to be an improper fraction, and how it is said to be a mixed fraction. From these examples I can tell it is a proper or improper or a mixed fraction. So let's start with a proper fraction. So this is the proper fraction. In a proper fraction, numerator is always less than the denominator. That means numerator should be less than the denominator. So if you take this and this and this, for example 1 by 2, 2 by 4 and 3 by 4. See here, numerators are compared to denominators. These three are less than the denominator, right? So it is said to be a proper fractions, these are. So if in case, that is second case, that is improper fractions. Improper fractions, that is quite opposite to the proper fraction, that is numerator is always greater than the denominator. It means, let it be denoted as denominator is less than the numerator. So how it can be represented as simply vice versa to the proper fraction. So it is 2 by 1, 4 by 2, 4 by 3, etc. You can tell it as a improper fraction for easy observation. Observe here, this is an improper fraction. So denominator is less than the numerator. So this is the representation of a improper fraction. Next, coming to the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, that is nothing but mixing the fraction. So that is, for example here, that is in the form of a n by d. There is whether it is a improper proper fraction is not the matter, that is in the form of a. Here a should be variable. So this is the variable. It means 0 to any infinity value like numerator and denominator. For example, see here 2.5 onions. So 2 and half, this is the representation, or 3, 3 by 4, or 4, 4 by 2, etc. We don't represent as 4, 4 by 2. This is not a representation of a mixed fraction. 1 by 2, this is must be opposite to the line while representing you a mixed fraction. This is the proper representation of a mixed fraction. So mixed fraction like this. Another thing on a mixed fractions, so how we are going to convert this into a proper or improper fraction. See here, if you take any example as this is the 4 1 by 2. So now how we are going to convert it into it. See here, this is a n by d, right? So a into d plus 1 divided by d. That means here a is 4 into d means denominator plus 1, that is nothing but n, 1 divided by d. So now 4 2s are 8 plus 1 by 2, that is 9 by 2. If you have to convert it into mixed fraction into any fractions, so if you take 7 by 3, so this is the improper fraction, right? So now we are going to convert it into mixed fraction. This is the mixed fraction to improper fraction. If you want to convert a improper fraction to mixed fraction, that means improper to a mixed fraction. That is, for example, take any 7 by 3. Okay, if you have to convert into a improper fraction to mixed fraction, right? So let's divide. This is 7, 3 2s are 6, that is 6, 7 minus 6 equal to 1. So this is a remainder, right? So this is the quotient and this is the divisor. So the formula is quotient remainder by divisor. So that means here quotient 2, remainder 1 and divisor is 3. So this is, if you want to confirm it, apply same method, this method. So 2 3s are 6 plus 1 by 3, that is 7 by 3. Here it is the comes to the true. So this is the method to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction. So this is about how to convert a mixed fraction into improper fraction and improper fraction to mixed fraction. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on the comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Stay connected for more videos and thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with the exercise 7.2 from fractions ncert. Question number 1. Draw number lines and locate the points on them. This is about the number lines, how we are representing fractions on a number line. I already explained you in previous videos. See the description box for the link about fraction representation on a number line. So now coming to the question here, it is question number A, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, and C, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 8 by 5, and 4 by 5. Here are the some fractions are there. So we have to locate on a points on number line. So let's start with the question number A. Take the help of scale and draw a number line. So this is as 0. So here no need to represent negative values. So here how we have to locate numbers first of all in a number line. See here, this is 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. All denominators have 4 except here. This is 2. So we can convert it into a equivalent fraction to this. So if you multiply with a 2 by 2 into this, so we get 2 by 2 2s are 4. Next similarly 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. So now represent in a number line. I am taking each 2 centimeters as 1. So 4 and 6 and 8 etc. So let it be 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 by 4 is equal to 1. 3 by 4, this is 2 by 4 and this is 1 by 4. Here, see here 2 by 4, this is the representation, and if you take 1 by 4, this is the 1 by 4, and 3 by 4, this is the 3 by 4, and this is the 4 by 4. So this is the representation of a number line with a given question. Similarly, see here, take a number line for this. So extend this as possible as. So no need to represent negative values. So let's take here 0. Next it is all with a 5. So we have to take up to 8 because of we have greater amount of numerator is 8. So we have to take it as more than 8 parts. 8 is enough for this. So let's start number line. So I am taking each 1.5 as 1, 2, this is 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 9. So here this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So here by 5, by 5, by 5, by 5. This is 5. This is said to be 1 also. 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5 and 9 by 5 also. See here, this is 2 by 5. This is the point 2 by 5 and 3 by 5. This is the point 4 by 5. This is and 8 by 5. This is the representation of a fractions on a number line. Just take a simple line with a possible equal amount of numbers on a number line. So let's divide it into which denominator is given. So divide it into equal parts and represent on a number line. That is simple. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Stay connected for more videos and thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with exercise 7.2 from fractions in class ncert. Question number 2. Express the following as mixed fractions. So here are 3 questions are there. That is 11 by 5, 28 by 5 and 35 by 9. So these are the improper fractions. We can tell easily by observing the fractions. So now we have to convert it into a mixed fraction. In previous videos I already told you about the how to convert a mixed fraction into improper fraction or improper fraction into a mixed fraction. See the description box for the link. And now let's coming to the answer. So this is the improper fraction. Now we have to convert it into a mixed fraction, right? So take the divisor method. So dividing method, that is 5 divides 11. 5 2s are 10. So remainder is 1. So here 1 is remainder and 2 is quotient and 5 is divisor, right? So from this we can convert quotient remainder by divisor. So from this quotient is nothing but 2 and remainder is 1 and divisor is 5. This is the representation of improper fraction into mixed fraction. Similarly, apply this method to this also. So we have to apply division rule. So here 28, 5 5s are 25. So 3 is the remainder. So now remainder, that is 3, and quotient, that is 5, and divisor is 5. So formula is quotient remainder by divisor. So here quotient is 5 and remainder is 3 and divisor is 5. So this is the representation of improper fraction to the mixed fraction conversion. Next, coming to the F, that is 35 by 9. So apply same. So 9, 35, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, right? So that is higher than 35. So we are taking as 3. So remaining is 8. Here remainder equal to 8 and quotient is 3 and divisor is equal to 9. So apply same quotient remainder by divisor. So from this quotient equal to 3, remainder equal to 8 and divisor is 9. So this is the representation of improper fraction to mixed fraction. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on the comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Stay connected for more videos and thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with exercise 7.2 from fraction 7th class ncert. Question number 3. Express the following as improper fractions. So these are the fractions in mixed fractions. So now we are going to convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. In previous videos, I already told you about the how to convert a mixed fraction into improper fraction and improper fraction to a mixed fraction. See the description box for the link. And now coming to the question 5 6 by 7. This is in the form of mixed fraction. So mixed fraction is in the form of, it is just example for the representation and remembering purpose only. So a n by d. If you want to convert it into improper fraction, so the formula is a into d. That is the here the variable and the denominator plus numerator divided by denominator. This is the formula for the conversion of mixed fraction into any fraction. Let's start with the answer. So that is 5 6 by 7. So here a equal to 5 and here denominator is equal to 7 and numerator is equal to 6. So by applying this formula, 5 into 7 plus n, that is 6 divided by d, that is nothing but that is 7. So by solving this we get fraction. So 5 sevens are 35 plus 6 divided by 7. So that is 41 by 7. This is the conversion of a mixed fraction to proper fraction. Next, similarly, this is also here 2 5 by 6. So apply this formula to this. So here a is equal to 2 and denominator is equal to 6 and numerator is equal to 5. So 2 into 6 plus 5 divided by 6. So 2 6 are 12 plus 5 equal to 6. So 17 by 6. This is the conversion. Next, coming to the E. that is 9 3 by 7. So similarly 9 sevens are 9 into 7, that is this into this plus this numerator divided by denominator. So 9 sevens are 63 plus 3 by 7. So 66 by 7. This is the conversion of mixed fraction into a improper fraction. So how I can tell it as an improper fraction? Improper fraction is nothing but numerator is greater than the denominator. So see all this by observing we can tell it is as improper fraction. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts regarding this session, comment in comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.
Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with a new topic, that is equivalent fractions from Fractions 6th class ncert. So let's moving into the introduction of equivalent fractions. Look at these representation of diagrams. It is a square. We are making two equal parts and one is shaded and another one is not shaded. If you take the shaded part fraction, how we are going to represent it? This is 1 by 2 because of there is a two boxes in a single square. So we are getting 2. We are shading one out of these two. So this is the representation of this picture. Coming to this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. That is the representation of 4 and in denominator. And now how the numerator we have to denote? How many shades, how many box of shades we are going to take away from this? That is the representation of numerator. So if you take here 1 and 2, so this is the representation of 2 by 4. Similarly, coming to this also, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal parts. So this is the 6 and we are going to take these 3 shaded parts. So that is 3 by 6. If you observe these 3 fractions, we get some idea about this. 1 by 2. This is also we can solve. It is in simplest form. We get 1 by 2. This is also 1 by 2. See here, the results is equal to the all these fractions. So it is the equivalent fraction example. Equivalent fraction is nothing but you may multiply both numerator and denominator with the same number, then you will get the another fraction to that. If for example, see here I am multiplying numerator with the 2 and denominator with 2. We get 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. This is the right? So if you multiply for this, this 1 by 2 into 3 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, right? So I hope you understand this. If you take another example like 1 by 3, 3 by 9 and 4 by 12. These are also equivalent fraction examples. See here 1 by 3. If you multiply 3 by 3, both numerator and denominator with the same number, we get 3 by 3 threes are 9. If you multiply same to the 4 with a numerator and both denominator, 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12 with a denominator also. See here we get all answers equivalent fractions in a with a one fraction. This is the representation of equivalent fractions. I hope you understand this. If you may get another type of equivalent fractions, comment on a comment section. And if you take example problem for the equivalent fractions, then you will may get the better understanding about the how to solve an equivalent fraction with a given question. Okay, let's start. Find the equivalent fraction of 2 by 5 with the numerator 6. So we have to find the fraction 2 by 5. We have to make as answer as a numerator with a 6. So let's take the fraction given. So 2 by 5. So in case of numerator we have to get 6. So this is example only. So we have to get 6. Then by which number we have to multiply both numerator and denominator? That is the equivalent fraction, right? So I am going to multiply numerator and the denominator with the 3. See here. This is also one type, or 2 by 5 into 3 by 3. This is also. So 2 3s are 6 and 5 3s are 15. Denominator is not the matter, but here they want numerator 6 as the equivalent fraction. So this is the representation of equivalent fraction through the example. If you take another problem, for example, same the question is here, but here coming to the 15 by 35 with denominator 7. So here in this case we have to find the denominator as 7 with this given fraction. So we are going to divide this fraction by, I am going to divide this fraction with the numerator and denominator with the same number. So it is nothing but 5 by 5 because of, see here, 15 divided by 5 and 35 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 threes are 5 ones are 5 sevens are 3 by 7. We get the denominator as 7 through this equivalent fraction. So this is the multiplication method and this is the dividing method. Both numerator and denominator at a time with the same number. That is the equivalent fraction rule to get the fraction to the equivalent fraction. So this is about the equivalent fractions. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with a new topic, that is simplest form of fraction from fraction 6th class NCERT. And now coming to the simplest form of fractions. The name it is telling it as a fractions we are going to do as a simplest form. If you take a bigger fraction like example as 36 by 54. So this is the bigger form of fraction. If you want to solve this fraction to get a simplest form, so we have to divide both numerator and denominator with the same number. So for example, take 2 ones are 2, this is divided by 2, this is also divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 eights are 16. So 18 by 2 twos are 4 and 14 remaining. So 2 sevens are 14. So this is the simplest form. If you divide both numerator and denominator with the 3 and 3, then we will get 3 6 are 18 and 3 9s are 27. Again you can make divide both numerator and denominator with 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, right? So this is the simplest form to this. 36 by 54 is, this is the equivalent fraction to this. Because of, if you multiply with the same number both numerator and denominator, you will get 36 by 54. So this is the simplest form to reduce the given fraction to the simplest form. If you get confused with this method, I am going to tell you a new method and also popular method for the simplest form of fractions, that is HCF. HCF we already know that is highest common factor. So if you take 36, 2 ones are 2, here 1 is remaining and 16, 2 8s are 16. If you get 2 9s are, here 3, 3 3s are, here also 3, 3 ones are. So here is 1. So how would you represent 36 by 54? And if you take 54 here, make this also as HCF. So 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are, and 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are, and this is also 3 1s are. So if you represent this 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 1 divided by 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 1. If you cancel both common factors on numerator and denominator, see here 2 gets cancelled, 3 gets cancelled, here also 3 gets cancelled. So here we have 2 into 1 divided by 3 into 1. So that is 2 by 3. See here, this is the easiest to show simplest form of a fraction. See, I think you get the understanding about the simplest form. Simplest form of fraction is nothing but a fraction is said to be in the form of simplest form. Simplest form is nothing but reduce it to the lowest form. If its numerator and denominator have no common no common factor, that is, I am get confused. No common factor except 1. So this is the right. So fraction we have to reduce to simplest form, both numerator and denominator having only 1 as the common factor, nothing but 1 we don't consider as a simplest form. So this is the simplest form definition also, and this is the easiest method, that is the HCF method for the simplest form of a fraction. If you take another example to this, then let's take 42 by 28. Simply 42. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 3 7s are, so 7 1s are. How it is represent? 42 by 28. So 2 into 3 into 7 into 1 divided by 28. So 28. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are, here 7 1s are. So how I am representing here? 2 into 7 into 1. So 2 gets cancelled, 7 gets cancelled. So that is 3 into 1 by 2 into 1. Then we will get the simplest form of fraction. 42 by 28 is 3 by 2. This is the representation of simplest form of fraction through the examples. If you get a same questions on an exercise, then you will get the better understanding about that questions, and you will easily get the answers through this HCF method or this method also, but commonly using HCF method only. So I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on the comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with the exercise 7.3 from fraction 6th class NCERT. Question number 3. Replace this box in each of the following by the correct number. So here I took randomly 3 questions. So we have to solve fractions. This is in the form of equivalent fractions. If you want about the equivalent fractions introduction and example problems, check the description box for the link. So let's start with A. This is the question. 2 by 7 is equal to the 8 by, we have to find. So we know that in equivalent fractions, both numerator and denominator multiply or divide with the same number. So here the numerator is bigger than this. So it is completely multiplied by some number. We know the second table. In second table, how we get the number 8? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So it is multiplied by 2 into 4, we get 8. In this manner, so we have to multiply denominator with the 4 also. So similarly, 2 into 4 by 7 into 4. 2 4s are 8 divided by 7 4s are 28. So this is the answer for this question. In this box, we get the answer as 28. Similarly, solve this question also. Here we have to find the numerator. So 3 by 5. We have to find this by 20. Here 5 is multiplied by 4. We get at 20. Similarly, we have to multiply numerator with a 4 also. So 3 into 4 divided by 5 into 4. We get 3 4s are 12 by 5 4s are 20. We have the numerator as 12. So this is the answer 12. Similarly, this is also, take the answer 18 by 24. Here we have to find the numerator. See here, these two are bigger than the given fraction. But here this is the lesser fraction. It means this is the bigger one and this is the lesser one. 24 and 4. So here division applied by this fraction. So according to this is the 4. In the fourth table, how we get 24? 4 6s are 24, right? Both numerator and denominator divided by 6. 18 divided by 6. Similarly, 24 divided by 6. So 6 1s are, 6 3s are, 6 1s are, 6 4s are. So 3 by 4. You are getting confused, right? So I am writing clearly here. 18 divided by 6 divided by 24 divided by 6. So both numerator and denominator divided with a 6 only. Here we are using multiplication, but coming to here we have division, that is divided by the same number. So 6 1s are 6 3s are 18, 6 1s are 6 4s are 24. So we get 3 by 4 as the answer. So in this fraction we have the numerator as 3. So this is the 3 as answer. So how we are going to represent these all equivalent fractions? 2 by 7 is equal to the 8 by 28. Similarly here 3 by 5 is equal to 12 by 20. Similarly this also 18 by 24 is equal to the 3 by 4. I hope you understand about this session. This is about the equivalent fractions representation. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with exercise 7.3 from fraction 6th class ncert. Question number 7. Reduce the following fractions are equivalent. So we have to make as equivalent fractions. At the same time we have to simplify these fractions. So in previous videos I already explained to you about the simplest form of fractions and equivalent fractions with examples. Check the description box for the links. Now coming to here, we have to reduce each fraction into the equivalent fractions. So let's start with a 48 by 60. So we have to take HCF. Apply HCF to both numerator and denominator. This is the 48 and this is the 60. So now 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are, 2 3s are, and finally 3 1s are 3. Similarly 2 30s are and 2 15s are and 3 5s are and 5 into 1s are. So we have to write it like this. We have to write as a factors for a numerator and denominator also. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 divided by 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 1. So here 2 gets cancelled. Here also 2, 2. Here also 3, 3. So here we have 2 into 2 into 1. So 2 into 2 into 1 divided by 5 into 1. 2 2s are 4 by 5. This is the simplest form for the given, and this is also equivalent fraction also. Equivalent fraction 4 by 5 of 48 by 16. Similarly this is also. So 84 by 98. So we have to make the HCF here. Take 84. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. 3 7s are, 7 1s are. Similarly 98. 2 4s are 8, remaining 1 and 18, 2 9s are. Similarly 49. This is a multiplied by 7, 7 7s are. 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 1 divided by, this is 7 into 1 also. 7 into 7 into 2 into 1. 7 7 gets cancelled, 2 2 gets cancelled. So 2 into 3 into 1 divided by 7 into 1. So 2 3s are 6 by 7. This is the equivalent fraction for this question. So 84 by 98 equivalent fraction 6 by 7. Next coming to this 7 by 28. So we have 7 as 7 into 1, but coming to the 28 we have to make HCF. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. 7 1s are 7 2s are again. So 2 1s are. So this is 2 into 7 into 2 into 1. So 7 7 gets cancelled. 1 by 2 into 2 into 1. So 1 by 4. This is the answer. So 1 by 4 is the equivalent fraction of 7 by 28. 1 by 4 is the equivalent fraction of 7 by 28. So this is the answer for this question. So I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on the comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with a new topic, that is like fractions and unlike fractions from fraction 6th class ncert. Let's coming to the introduction of like fractions and unlike fractions. We know the fraction that is in the form of numerator by denominator. So this is the representation of a fraction. But coming to here, like fractions and unlike fractions, these are named as based by the numerator and denominator nature. So if you take like fractions, the denominators all are same. For example, if you take some 1 by 15, 2 by 15 fractions, 3 by 15 and 8 by 15. So here we have, see the difference, all denominators are same. So this is the like fractions. Coming to the unlike fractions, denominators are not same. Unlike fractions, here denominator are same. Here denominators are different. So this is a single line definition about the like fractions and unlike fractions. Now if you compare like fractions and unlike fractions separately, if you take fractions, for example, take another fraction for easy purpose. If you compare 3 by 8 and 5 by 8, this is a like fractions, right? So if you want to compare these, you have to take 8 parts, make 3 as shaded. So take 8 parts like equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. If you shaded these 3, so this is the representation of 3 by 8. If you take same equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So these are 8 equal parts. If you shade 5 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 5 by 8. By comparing these 3, 5 by 8 is bigger than the 3 by 8, right? So if you make equal parts of 8 and then you will get 3 shaded and here is 5 shaded. So obviously in numerator we have 5. This is a bigger than this. So in like fractions, that is the simple tip for the compare like fractions. What is the biggest fraction in that those given? So this is the comparing of like fractions. Next, coming to the unlike fractions, if you take 1 by 3 or 1 by 5, in between these two we have to tell whether which is bigger. Then we have to make 3 equal parts like 1, 2, 3. 1 is shaded. Here take 1 by 5. So you have to take 1, make it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 5. 1 by 3 is bigger than the 1 by 5. In like fraction, that is somewhat difficult about to tell the which one is the biggest fraction by comparing given fractions. But in like fractions we can get easily by comparing numerators which one is bigger, then we will go to the that fraction that is as a bigger one. So this is about the comparison of like fractions and unlike fractions and definition of like fraction and unlike fractions also. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on the comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with the exercise 7.4 fractions from 6th class ncert. Question number 2. Compare the fractions and put an appropriate sign. In previous videos, I already told you about the like fractions and unlike fractions definition through the comparing like fraction and unlike fractions definitions and examples also. Check the description box for the link. Next, coming to the question, 3 by 6, 5 by 6. So we have to compare these two with appropriate sign. This is also 4 by 5 and 5 by 5. This is 3 by 5 and 3 by 7. So we have to write the answers. This is 3 by 6 and this is 5 by 6. Denominators are same. So this is said to be like fractions. In like fractions, we can easily tell by observing numerators. So 5 by 6 and 3 by 6. Here 5 is the greater numerator than the 3. So obviously this is the greater one. But we have to prove it with the appropriate symbols or appropriate example. Then we will get the better understanding and grip about the fraction. Take the small box with the equal lengths. Take 6 equal parts. Divide it into 6 equal parts. And if you observe this, this is 1, 2, 3. This is said to be 3 by 6. Next, similarly, so this is also 6. We have to 5 by 6 shaded portion. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 portions I shaded. So 5 by 6. Similarly here, see here, this is the bigger and this is the smaller one. So 3 by 6 is less than the 5 by 6. This is about this. Next, coming to the here, 4 by 5 and 5 by 5. See here. Similarly, take another one also. We are dividing one part into 5 equal parts. Here also 5 equal parts. So, let's shade out of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is 4 by 5 and this is 5 by 5. So, this is obviously greater. So, this is the symbol. 4 by 5 is less than the 5 by 5. Similarly, see here, this is like fraction and this is also like fraction. Then we will get the answer easily. It is unlike fraction. Then how will we get the answer? So, if we compare the numerators are same, right? But it is unlike fraction. If you make these fractions into like fractions, then we will get the better understanding and then we will get better exact answer from this. So, this numerator 5 and this numerator is 7. If you make these two or equal denominators, that means the denominators are same like fractions, then we will get compare easily. So 3 by 5 into, I am going to multiply these two denominators with the same 7 by 7. Here also 3 by 7 into 5 by 5. This is your option also. So 3 7s are 21, 5 7s are 35. This is also 5 3s are 15 and 7 5s are 35. Obviously, we can compare numerators because of the denominators are same. So, 21 by 35 is greater than the 15 by 35. So, this is the answer for this question. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box. Click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with exercise 7.4 fractions from 6th class NCERT. Question number 6. The following fractions represent just 3 different numbers. Separate them into 3 groups of equivalent fractions by changing each one to its simplest form. So here I took randomly some questions. Let's take B. If you make this into simplest form, 3 by 15. If you divide with the both numerator and denominator with the 3, then we will get 3 1s are 3. And 3 5s are. Next, coming to this, 16 by 100. If you observe this, this is divided by 4. This is also divided by 4. Then we will get 1 by 25. Sorry, 4 by 25. 4 1s are 4 4s are, right? So, here 16 by 96. So, it is divided by 16 itself also. So, 16 1s are 16. 6 are. Coming to the K, this is 3 by 18. So itself 3 3s are and 3 6s are. So 1 by 6. If you solve remaining questions like here I skipped A and B, C, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So these are the I skipped ones. So in this group, apart from these 4, we get some values according to the given question. So separate them as each group. So I am taking here as group 1, that is 1 by 4. Here I get B. and this is group 2, that is 4 by 25, and next group 3, that is 1 by 6. Here I have D and here I have H and K as well. So if you complete this question completely, comment in a comment section for this answer. I hope you will get the answer easily. So this is about this question. If you have any doubts regarding this session, comment in a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with exercise 7.4 question number 8 from fractions 6th class ncert. Ila read 25 pages of book contains 100 pages. Lalita read 2 by 5 of the same book. Who read less? So here Ila reads 25 pages of book containing 100 pages. So if you take a book that contains 100 pages, so Ila reads 25 pages. So let's take a step as a book contains 100 pages. In that, Ila reads 25 pages. Next, Lalita read 2 by 5 of the same book. That means 100 pages. Right? So, now who read less? We have to find it. We know Ila reads 25 pages, but we don't know how many pages are read by the Lalita. So we have to find it. So how we are going to denote this as 2 by 5? Of is nothing but into, and here is 100 pages, right? So if you simplify this, you will get a number of pages. 5 ones are, 5 20s are. So 2 into 20. So that is 40 pages. So conclusion is Lalita read the 40 pages of book. Lalita read more pages of that book, but Ila reads 25 pages of that book. So who read less they want? So Ila read less. This is the answer. Here they gave question in the form of the matter. Then we will convert it into a fractions. Do the simple steps for the solving the question. Then we will get the answer easily. By comparing Ila and Lalita, we get the answer. Ila read less because of Ila reads 25 pages of book, but Lalita read the 40 pages of book. So it is easy to define who read less. So Ila read less. So this is the answer about this question. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with exercise 7.4 fractions from 6th class ncert. Question number 10. In a class A of 25 students, 20 passed in first class. In another class B of 30 students, 24 passed in first class. In which class was a greater fraction of students getting first class? So here there are two classes, class A and class B. Some students are there, they passed in first class. So we have to find it in the fraction. Then we have to compare which one is greater fraction of class passed in first class. So let's start with the steps. So in a class A of 25 students, so 20 passed in first class. So how we are going to represent it? This is 25, 20 members. So this is the representation of fraction. Next, coming to the class B. In a class B of 30 students, 24 passed. 24 passed in first class. So now, how we are going to denote it? This is 30 and this is 24, right? So now we are make it is into simplest form for comparison purpose. In previous videos, I already explained to you about the comparison and simplest form of and equivalent form of fractions. See the description box for the link, then we will get the better understanding about this question also. So let's move into the simplest form of this 20 by 25. So both numerator and denominator divide with a common factor, that is 5. So we will get 5 ones are 5 fours are 5 ones are 5 fives are. So 4 by 5. Next, coming to this also, common factor we have in this 4. So 24 divided by 30. Divide both numerator and denominator with a 6. 6 by 6. Then 6 ones are 6 fours are 6 ones are 6 fives are. So 4 by 5. See here, 4 by 5 and 4 by 5 is the simplest form of these two fractions. So here the final conclusion of answer is same fractions, that is 4 by 5 of students got first class in both the classes. So see here, first take the step of A, class A, that is 20 students are in first class and 25 is out of. So 20 by 25. Divide both numerator and denominator with 5, then that is the simplest way of fraction. So here we get 4 by 5. Similarly, apply that step to the class B. 24 out of 30 students are in first class. So divide both numerator and denominator with the 6, then we will get 4 by 5. So by comparing these two, in which class was a greater fraction of students getting first class? Here by comparison these two are equal, right? So 4 by 5 and this is also 4 by 5. So same fractions of 4 by 5, students got first class in both classes. So class A and class B having their first class students equally. So this is the conclusion about this question. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with the topic addition and subtraction of fractions from fraction 6th class NCERT. In earlier classes you may learnt about the fractions. Check the description box for that link. But here we are going to discuss about the addition and subtraction of the fractions. So we know generally fraction, that is nothing but part of whole divided by whole. So this wholes determines the denominator. This part of a whole we are telling it as numerator. Let it be n by numerator and denominator. Okay. Now coming to the addition. Here this is addition and this is subtraction. Why I am writing like this, I am going to tell you the reason. Because of we know the fractions, types of fractions. One is like fractions, another one is unlike fractions. We know like fractions have same denominator, but in unlike fraction numerator same, numerator and denominator are compared to the another one, they are unlike to each other. That's why they are called unlike fractions. In previous video I already explained to you about the types of fractions. Check the description box for that link also. Now coming to the addition and subtraction, we know how to add whole numbers. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. This is about the whole numbers, addition and subtraction. But coming to the fraction, fractions are in the form of n by d, right? Numerator by denominator. So in this way, how we are going to add or subtract given fraction? That is the main reason to learn about the addition and subtraction with a given fraction. Let's take addition and subtraction. I am taking example fractions here. So like fractions 3 by 5 and 1 by 5. So with this fraction we are going to learn about the addition and subtraction. So let's start. This is like fractions, right? So given 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5. Here we are going to learn about 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Okay. Here denominators are same. So we are going to take denominator as 5. Next, numerators are added up. So 4 by 5. Similarly in this case also, denominators are same. That's why I am taking one same denominator. But coming to the numerator, 3 minus 1. So here we got 3 minus 1, 2 by 5. This is the answer. how to solve addition and subtraction with a like fractions. If you take unlike fractions here, unlike fractions 5 by 6 and 3 by 4 for example. So how we are going to do this addition with the unlike fractions? So given 5 by 6 plus 3 by 4. Here also unlike fraction 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4. Okay. See here we are having both denominators are different. Here also both denominators are different. How we are going to take addition? So here we have to take LCM, least common multiple. I hope you are familiar with this LCM making. So take 6 and 4. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 3 1s are 2 1s are. So how it's going to be 2 into 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So here we got LCM as 12. So now let's take LCM as 12. Now 5 into, how many times 6 divides 12? 6 1s are, 6 2s are. That amount into numerator. Similarly here 3 into, how many times 4 divides 12? 4 3s are. So 3 into 3. Now 5 2s are 10, 3 3s are 9 by 12. So it means 19 by 12. There is no common multiple to these two. That's why these are not eligible to simplify this fraction. So addition of these two are getting 19 by 12. Similarly here 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4, right? So how we are going to do is, similarly we are getting LCM 12. Now here is the one point is to do is, here we are taking addition but here we are doing subtraction. So that's why 5 into 6 how many times divides 12? 2 times, minus 4 how many times divides 12? 3 times. So this 3 into 3. 5 2s are 10, 3 3s are 9 by 12. So here 1 by 12 is the answer. This is the addition and subtraction of fractions in like fractions and unlike fractions. See here, this is the one method to find an unlike fraction addition and subtraction with the LCM method. I will give you another method to find the addition and subtraction on unlike fractions again. Let's take a look on that method. Now if you take same unlike fractions, given 5 by 6 plus 3 by 4. Here we get LCM of 6 and 4, that is 12. We know that 6 4, 3 2s are 4 here, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, again 2 1s are, 2 1s are. So finally 3 into 2 into 2. That's why 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So we get LCM as 12, right? So apart from that method, I am going to tell you this is the method 2 of solving fractions with or either addition or subtraction also. So take addition here, 5 by 6 plus 3 by 4. Here we are having LCM as 12. So that's why take the denominator into 12 also. How it may be contains? See here denominator we have 6. How many times we have to multiply to get it 12? That is 6. So 6 into 2. Similarly here we have to do is multiply both numerator and denominator with the 2 plus 3 by 4. Similarly here also, how many times we get 4 gets into 12 by multiplying with the 3. 4 3s are 12, right? So multiply both numerator and denominator with the 3. So here 5 2s are 10 by 6 2s are 12. 3 3s are 9 by 4 3s are 12. So now similarly like fractions additions, 12 is the common in denominator. So 10 plus 9, 19 by 12. Similarly subtraction also, 5 by 6 into both numerator and denominator multiply with the 2. Sorry, this is the subtraction. So 3 by 4 into here also 3 by 3 because of 4 3s are 12. So similarly 5 2s are 10 by 6 2s are 12 minus 3 3s are 9 by 4 3s are 12. This is similar to the like fractions. So 10 minus 9 by same denominator. So 1 by 12. This is the easiest method. Convert this unlike fraction into like fraction. Then we will do addition and subtraction according to the given fraction. So I hope you understand about this method and that method also. If you have any doubts, comment in a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with the example problems of fractions based on addition and subtraction of our fractions from 6th class NCERT. So here I am going to explain you about the examples how to do addition subtraction with a given fractions. These are the only example problems I took for the solve of addition and subtraction of a fractions. In previous videos I already explained to you about the addition and subtraction fractions based on like and unlike fractions. Check the description box for that link. Now coming to here is the addition. Here these two are like fractions. We know about the like fraction, that is numerator and denominator. Here denominator is same for both fractions. So it is said to be like fractions. So like fractions addition is better easy to do the solving of fraction. So here we get denominator as 6 because of those two denominators are same. That's why we are getting denominator as same. Numerators are also same, 5 plus 2. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 by 6. This is the answer for this question. Next coming to the subtraction, 3 by 4 from 5 by 6. So here 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4. This is the correct way to represent from that statement. Next is 2. Here these two are unlike fractions. So how we are going to take another step for this unlike fractions. See here we are having two different denominators. So that's why we are going to take LCM for 6 and 4. So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are and 2 1 1s. So 2 into 3 into 2. You all are familiar with the least common multiple, that is LCM. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 12. 12 is the LCM for this 6 and 4. So how we are going to do is, here denominators we are having different. So that's why this denominator how many times divides this? 2 times. So in order to get this denominator as 12, we are going to multiply with this 6 into 2 times. So if you multiply this 6 into 2 times, we need to multiply numerator with that number. For example, see here 5 by 6. To get a 12 here, we have to multiply with a 2. Similarly on numerator also. Next, here 3 by 4. Here, in order to get 12, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator with a 3. Because of 4 3s are 12. So 6 2s are 12 minus 4 3s are 12. Here we are getting two denominator as 12, right? So that's why we are multiplying both numerator and denominator according to the denominator how it's getting to the LCM to equal. 5 2s are 10. Here 3 3s are 9. So 10 minus 9 by 12. See here both denominators are same in this case. These are called like fractions addition. Similarly we are making these unlike fractions into like fractions. Then we will get the next step of subtraction. So here 10 minus 9 by same denominator. 10 minus 9 is nothing but 1 by 12. This is the answer for this method. Next coming to here we are having mixed fractions. In these two cases we have like fractions and unlike fractions. But here we are having mixed fractions. Now how we are going to do is convert this mixed fraction into any fraction. Then we will apply the same method to solve these mixed fractions. So now take this 4 into 5 plus 2 by 5. This is the way to convert mixed fractions. In earlier classes I already explained to you about the how to change the mixed fraction into improper or proper fraction. Check the description box for that link also. So here, see here this is 2 and this is 5. These two are multiplied and add to numerator, that is called numerator. So 5 into 2 plus 1 by this denominator. So 4 5s are 20 plus 2 by 5 minus 5 2s are 10 plus 1 by 5. Now 22 by 5 minus 10 plus 1 11 by 5. See here, this is also like fraction. So 5, 22 minus 11, we get 11. So in order to change this also, we know that 5 2s are 10. So 2 remaining 1 by 5. See here 11, 5, 5 2s are 10, 1. So this leads to the remainder. This is the remainder divided by this divisor into quotient. So this is the representation of mixed fraction into the proper fraction or improper fraction. I hope you understand about this session how to add subtraction on based on like, unlike and mixed fractions also. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on the comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with exercise 7.5 from fractions 6th class ncert. Question number 3. Shubham painted 2 by 3 of the wall space in his room. His sister Madhavi helped and painted 1 by 3 of the wall space. How much did they paint together? Shubham and Madhavi are brother and sisters. They painted their wall as Shubham painted 2 by 3 of the wall and Madhavi helped 1 by 3 of the wall. Let's assume here is the wall. So divide it into 3 parts. Okay, Shubham painted 2 by 3. This is painted by Shubham. And her sister Madhavi helped and painted 1 by 3 of the wall. So this is contains Madhavi. Because of this is 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Here these 2 gets 2 by 3 and this is 1 by 3. So by adding these 2 we get 3 by 3. It means 1. It means full of the wall. So see here from this example we get the answer here. Right? I hope you understand this. Apply this in the form of steps, then we will get a better understanding about the question also. So let's take answer. First of all, Shubham painted the wall space in fractions 2 by 3. Madhavi helped and painted the wall space equal to 1 by 3. What we have to do is how much did they paint together? So, how much did they paint together? We have to find out. So see here we are having addition here. So addition of fractions. Similarly here also he is painted 2 by 3 of the wall and she completed the remaining wall also. That is also one statement through this example. So by combining these two we get answer, right? So combining is nothing but a addition. So we have to add this and this. Shubham painted wall plus Madhavi painted wall in fractions. So I am writing in a brackets also in fractions. So here Shubham painted 2 by 3 of the wall and Madhavi painted 1 by 3 of the wall. Here these two are like fractions, right? So in a like fractions we are getting answer easily, either it is addition or subtraction also. So let's take denominator as 3 because of these two denominators are same. Next numerator also 2 plus 1. So from this we get 3 by 3. 3 gets cancelled. 1. Here 1 is nothing but total wall. Firstly told about the wall. So the total wall painted by the Madhavi and Shubham. So Shubham and Madhavi painted the total wall space in their room. So this is the sum about the addition of the fractions. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with exercise 7.5 from fraction 6th class ncert. Question number 5. Javed was given 5 by 7 of a basket of oranges. What fraction of oranges was left in the basket? See this question. Javed has a basket of oranges. Okay. He gave the 5 by 7 of the basket oranges to any friends. Okay. Let it be friend. What fraction of oranges was left in the basket? In this question, we have to analyze some of the steps because of 5 by 7 of the basket of oranges. We know basket, these are having oranges, right? These are the oranges in a basket. In this, Javed given 5 by 7 of the basket of oranges. So, 5 by 7. In fractions, we know that whole in a denominator and part of a whole in numerator. This numerator contains us given how much we taken out or given to another one. It denotes numerator. How much we are having in the basket. That is the main thing here. So see here, this whole is denoted as denominator, that is 7. Here whole is 7. Part of whole or given how much? That is 5 in this numerator. So whole is nothing but 7. In this basket, how many oranges we are having? 7 because of whole. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 oranges are there. In that 5 by 7. In the 7 oranges, they gave 5 out of the 7 oranges to his friend. So this is the answer here. But we have to analyze this into the step-by-step procedure. Then we will get better answer. So let's start with the A. Javed has a basket of oranges. In that he given some amount of oranges, that is 5 by 7 in fractions. So now here 5 by 7. What fraction of oranges was left in the basket? We have to tell. So what fraction of oranges was left? So here, this is the 5 by 7. We have to conclude that Javed has 7 by 7 of oranges in that basket, right? So in that he gave 5 by 7. So here we are going to write whole basket of oranges minus given basket of oranges. So here whole is nothing but 7 by 7 minus given 5 by 7. See here, these two are like fractions. So 7 is the common denominator. Numerator is 7 minus 5. It means 2 by 7. So here 2. In that basket are remaining oranges. So answer is therefore 2 by 7 of oranges was left in the basket. So this is the answer for this question. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubt, comment on the comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with exercise 7.6 from fraction 6th class NCERT. Question number 1. Solve. So here I took randomly 3 questions. E 2 by 5 plus 1 by 6. I 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. K 1 by 3 plus 3 2 by 3. Here I am taking 3 kinds of fractions here. See here, this is 2 fractions addition, this is 3 fractions addition, and this is mixed fraction addition. In previous videos, I already explained to you about the how to addition of fractions based on like or unlike fractions. Check the description box for that link. So see here is the question. So 2 by 5 plus 1 by 6. Here denominators are different. So these are unlike fractions because of these 2 denominators are different to each other. Let's take 2 by 5 plus 1 by 6. Take LCM to both 5 and 6 denominators. So 5 ones are 5. This is 6. 2 ones are 2. 3s are 6. 3 ones are. So 5 into 2 into 3. So 5 2s are 10. 10 into 3. 10 3s are 30. 30 is the LCM to 5 and 6. So take 30. See here. In order to get denominator as 30, we have to multiply 5 with the 6 because of 5 into 6 are 30. So this LCM and this denominators gets equal. So 2 by 5 into 6. 6 5s are 30. It's okay. But what about the numerator? Numerator also multiplied with the same number. Similarly here also 1 by 6. So 5 by 5. Next here 2 6 are 12. 6 5s are 30. Plus 1 into 5 by 6 5s are 30. Now here these two are like fractions. So take the denominator 30. 12 plus 5. So this is 17 by 30. This is the answer for this question. Similarly here we are having 3 fractions. So 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. We are going to make LCM with these 3. So 3, 4, 2. 3 ones are 4, 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are. Again 2 ones are. So we get 3 into 2 into 2. It's equal to 3 twos are 6. 6 twos are 12. 12 is the LCM for these 3. So in order to make denominator 12, we get multiplied both numerator and denominator with the 4. Why? Because of 4 3s are 12. Similarly here also 4 3 by 3. 3 4s are 12. Plus 1 by 2 into 6 by 6. So 2 4s are 8 by 4 3s are 12. Plus 3 3s are 9 by 4 3s are 12. 6 1s are 6 by 2 6 are 12. So all these denominators are 12. These 3 are in like fractions. So take denominator 12. 8 plus 9 plus 6. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. 17 plus 6 equal to 23 by 12. This is the answer for this question. Next, coming to this question, this is also same, but here we are having another step, that is convert this mixed fraction into proper or improper fraction. So 3 ones are 3 plus 1. 4 by 3 plus 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2 11 by 3. This is like fraction. 3 4 plus 11. 4 plus 11 15 by 3. So here 3 1s are 3 5s are. So we can write it as 5 by 1 also. So this is about this question. I hope you understand about these questions. If you have any doubts, comment on the comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with exercise 7.6 from fraction 6th class NCERT. Question number 4. Fill in the boxes. Here I took 2 random questions A and C. Here the box minus 5 by 8 equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 2 minus box equal to 1 by 6. We have to fill the box with the appropriate fractions by solving these given fractions. So here, let's start with the A. I already explained to you about the how to add and how to subtract the fractions based on the given fraction. So check the description box for that link. Coming to here, we are having empty box. Let it be x minus 5 by 8 equal to 1 by 4. Here, x is the containing empty box. Okay. So, x is equal to 1 by 4. Convert this fraction to this side. So, plus 5 by 8. So, x equal to, here we are having 4 comma 8. Take LCM. So, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. From these 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1 1. 2 into 2 into 2, that equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So, 8 is the LCM for this one. In order to make this one, divide 8 with a 4. So, 8 4, 4 1s are 4 2s are. Multiply numerator with this. So, 1 into 2 plus 5 into 1. So, 2 plus 5 by 8. X equal to 7 by 8. So, here we are getting answer as 7 by 8 minus 5 by 8 is equal to 1 by 4. From this, see here, these are like fractions. So, 8 is the common, but 7 minus 5, that is 2. 2 by 8, see here, from this is just a 2 by 8. So, 2 1s are, 2 4s are. So, that's why 1 by 4. This is the correct answer for this question. Similarly, here also, take answer. So, 1 by 2 minus x equal to 1 by 6. So, in order to make x minus x equal to minus 6, this 1 by 2 coming to here. So, then it changes its sign also. So, minus 1 by 2. Minus x equal to 1 by 6 minus 1 by 2. So, minus x equal to, take LCM here. LCM 6 2. 2 3s are 2 1s are. 3 1s are 1. 2 3s are 6. 6 is the LCM. So, take 6. So, 1 into 1 minus, in order to get 6 here, so divide 6 with the 2. So, 6 3s are. Numerator into this 3. Minus x equal to 1 minus 3 by 6. So, minus x equal to minus 2 by 6. Here, minus minus gets cancelled. X equal to 2 by 6. 2 1s are, 2 3s are. So, here, x equal to 1 by 3. So, finally, 1 by 2 minus, in this box, 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 6. By solving this, we get 1 by 6 as the answer. So, this is about the fill in the box with the appropriate fraction. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment in a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with Exercise 7.6 from Fraction 6th class ncert, question number 5. Complete the addition subtraction box. This is the box like a riddle. So, we have to fill these boxes with the addition and subtraction. See this? These are showing subtraction. These are showing addition. So, let it be, I am taking this is as 1 and this is as 2. And this is as A and this is as B. Okay. So, let's start with the addition. So, take 1. That is 2 by 3. Plus, because of addition, 4 by 3. So, these two are like fractions. So, in like fractions, we can easily get addition. So, take the denominator same. So, 2 plus 4. 6 by 3. So, here 6 by 3 is the answer. 1. Next, coming to the second one. 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Here also, like fractions. So, take the denominator as same. So, 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. That is 3 by 3. It means also 1. But I am taking here as a fraction. So, that's why 3 by 3. Here also we can simplify it. But see here 3 1s are, 3 2s are. We get 2 here. In order to get a fraction, I am keeping these fractions like this. Next, coming to the subtraction. So, these two are based on addition. Next, coming to the subtraction, that is A. So, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So, here 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. These two denominators are same. So, take the denominator as same. 2 minus 1. So here we get 1 by 3. So this is the answer here. So this is 1 by 3. Next, coming to this B. 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Here also denominators are same. Take the denominator 4 minus 2. Here we get 2 by 3. So this is another answer, 2 by 3. So here we are having answer as 2 by 3. Now we have to fill this box. So take this one and another as this one. So this is subtraction. Now we have to fill this box. But see here, this and this. In order to get this, I am solving this and this. We get answer equally. I am sure that. See here, we get 1 by 3. In this case, we have to add. So plus 2 by 3. So we get 2 plus 1, 3 by 3. That equal to 1. In another way, we have to subtract. So 6 minus 3 minus 3 by 3. These two having same denominator. So 6 minus 3. Here we are having 3 by 3. These two are gets cancelled. We get 1. See here and here we get 1 answer. So this is the 1. We solve the riddle with the help of addition and subtraction on a given statement of this riddle. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubt, comment in a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with exercise 7.6 from fraction 6th class ncert question number 3. Naina was given 1 by 2 piece of cake and Nazma was given 1 by 3 piece of cake. Find the total amount of cake was given to both of them. So Naina and Nazma were friends. They gave 1/2 of piece of cake and 1 by 3 piece of cake. So by combining these two, we get total amount of cake was given to both of them. So how much amount of cake they would taken? So it is the answer. Let's start with answer. So Naina was given cake equal to 1 by 2 piece. Next, Nazma was given cake 1 by 3 piece. So now we have to calculate those two. So total amount of cake was given to both of them is equal to, we have to add these two, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. So here these two are in mixed fractions. We have to convert these mixed fraction into proper or improper fractions. So based on this conversion, I already explained to you in a video, that is how to convert mixed fraction into a fraction. Check the description box for that links. So come to the here, we get 1 by 2, 1 by 3. So in order to get into 2 into 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 3 into 1 plus 1 by 3. See here, 2 ones are 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 3 ones are 3 plus 1 by 3. So 3 by 2 plus 4 by 3. These two fractions having different denominators, right? So these are unlike fractions. Now we are going to add these two. So in order to get these two, we have to take LCM for 2 and 3. We get like 3, 1. So 2 into 3, that is 6. 6 as the LCM. So 3 by 2. In order to get 6 here, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator with a 3. Here also 4 by 3. Both denominator and numerator multiply with a 2. Because of here denominator 2 3s are 6. Here also 3 2s are 6. LCM also 6. By based on this LCM, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator with the same number. That must and should be come to the denominator is equal to the LCM. So that's why we are multiplying. So here 3 3s are 9 by 3 2s are 6 plus 4 2s are 8 by 3 2s are 6. So now these two are in like fractions. In like fractions, we can get easily answer with the addition also. So 6 as the denominator because of these two denominators are same. So 9 plus 8. So 9 plus 8 equal to 17 by 6. So now we have to tell in the form of mixed fraction because of here we are having mixed fraction piece of cake. So that's why convert this into mixed fraction. How we are going to convert this? 6, this is 17. So 6 2s are 12. This is the 5 remainder. So in order to move this fraction into mixed fraction, we have to make a formula that is quotient. This is the quotient, this is the remainder, and this is the divisor, right? So quotient, remainder by divisor. So here remainder is 5 and divisor is 6, quotient is 2. So this is the conversion of proper fraction into mixed fraction. So 2 5 by 6 of piece of cake given by both of them. So finally 2 5 by 6 piece of cake given by both Naina and Nazma. So this is the answer for this question. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with exercise 7.6 from fraction 6th class ncert question number 7. Nandini's house is 9 by 10 km from her school. She walked some distance and then took a bus for 1 by 2 kilometers to reach the school. How far did she walk? So this is the question. Nandini house is 9 by 10 kilometers from her school. So see here, this is school. Okay. She walked some distance. Sorry, this is the house. She walked some distance. So this is total distance is 9 by 10 kilometers. But she walked some distance. So she walked some distance and then took bus for half kilometers to reach the school. So from here she took at midpoint. This is 1 by 2. She took 1 by 2 kilometers from where she walked. Let it be x. In order to find x, we have to do is 9 by 10 equal to x plus 1 by 2. By solving this equation, we can get answer easily. So let's start with the answer. Nandini's house has a distance from school equal to 9 by 10 kilometers. She walked some distance. Let it be, let's assume as x. Okay. Then Nandini took a bus to reach the school from 1 by 2 kilometer distance. Okay. Next, how far did she walk? We have to find. So, total distance equal to Nandini walk distance plus school bus took her distance. So it is bus taken her from the distance. So here Nandini walked x, total distance 9 by 10. So bus taken her from distance is 1 by 2. So from this equation, x equal to this 1 by 2 moving into this side, it get be minus. So 9 by 10 minus 1 by 2. From here we get x equal to, take LCM for those two, 10, 2. LCM. 2 5s are 2 1s are 5 1s are. So 2 into 5 into 1, that equal to 10 is the LCM. So 10 is the LCM. 9 minus 2 gets divided 10 into 5 times. So 1 into 5. So 9 minus 5 by 10, that equal to 4 by 10 kilometers. So 4 by 10 kilometers Nandini walked for her school. So this is the answer about this question. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment in a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.